Okay, we're starting. Okay. What is it about each of these products that aesthetically attracts or deters you from buying it?
That deters me from buying
Yeah,
it?
aesthetically. So looking at the packaging, like what do you like or what do you not like about each product? Like you can go through.
Well, I don't know. For the Crystal Light stuff, I don't normally buy this sort of thing anyways.
Mm-hmm.
So I probably wouldn't buy it. But if I were into that, I don't think there's much. I mean, I would if I was looking for this sort of thing, I would probably just buy it because that's what I was looking for. So I don't think the packaging has much to do with this one.
Okay, just the water enhancer in general. You don't think the packaging has anything to do with it?
Well, not for me.
Okay.
I mean, if I was looking for like cherry pomegranate flavored water enhancer, I would buy this just because that's what I was looking for.
Okay.
I mean, as long as it said it on there, then yeah. But this Propel Zero stuff, I seriously thought it was like heartburn, or like it has that same font as some other like Prilosec or something like that. Like I thought it was like a heartburn or like a cold medicine, so that's probably a deterrent. There's not really anything on here that says like water enhancer or whatever. It seriously it looks like heartburn medicine or like just medicine.
Yeah.
This Mio stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It's kind of cool. Nice little liquid squirt bottle design. I've had this stuff before. It's interesting. I don't know if it really works.
But you like the packaging of that? Like that one's more attractive to you?
Yeah,
you're
it's
saying.
Cool. It's different. That's for sure. Hard plastic. It's probably hard to recycle. Yeah, BPA. So.
Okay, cool. So have you seen any? I mean, I guess which one is just the most like? Which one's the most attractive to you? Like, if you were gonna choose one. Which one would you choose?
Definitely the Mio one. Like if it had a flavor that I wanted, I'd probably go for that one.
Okay. And then, have you seen any commercials that influence or sway your decision process when purchasing drink mixers?
I've seen commercials for Crystal Light and I've seen commercials for Mio. I've never heard of this stuff before.
Okay.
But it was probably just with the Mio. It was probably just the pack or like the way it looked and what it did, what I was looking for. That's probably why I got it. And plus, I just wanted to try it, see because I didn't have the water enhancing kind. I had like the caffeine one or whatever that they have. So
that intrigued you though, the caffeine kind?
Yeah, just because it was what I was looking for. So they had what I was looking for.
Okay. Were you interested by the commercials that you saw? Or did you think anything of it?
Not really. But when I saw it in the store, I was like, oh yeah, I recognize that. And so I got it. But no, I don't even remember the commercials. I mean, I'm sure it probably had, for the Mio one, or the Mio one, it probably had like some extreme athlete thing going on, like BMX bikers or something, or like, let's enhance our water, and like hella action shots or something.
Okay. And then each product contains different ingredients. How does this affect your decision-making process when selecting an artificial sweetener?
Well, luckily I know a little bit about nutrition, so I always do look at the ingredients on things usually. Especially if it's something new. But like what kind of sugar is in it, if it really is. You know, I look at the sugar, like if it's high fructose corn syrup or something like that, or this aspartame stuff is kind of nasty. So if I saw that was in there, I probably wouldn't get that just because aspartame is a no-go.
Is that one of your biggest determinants?
I would think if it came down between the Mio and the Crystal Light being the exact same, like they were both exactly what I wanted, and the Crystal Light had aspartame and this doesn't, then I would definitely probably go with the Mio over the Crystal Light, just because it doesn't have. Although it has some other stuff in here that I'm not too sure about either. But
But you would say that you definitely consider it.
Yeah.
So you said, yeah, that's kind of what the question was. What does aspartame, would it deter you from buying it? Like, would you just absolutely not
Yeah.
buy it? Okay.
Yeah.
And then what about the package? This is kind of like the first one. What about the packaging do you like or dislike about each product? Like colors.
I don't know. This one's nice. It kind of is all one color though, which is, I don't know, dull, I guess, if you were really picky about packaging.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. They might be able to switch it up a little bit. I don't know how, but something like that. But cardboard, it's recyclable. It's standard. It's good old cardboard. The Mayo or the Mio, whatever.
I think it's
Yeah, it's a cool. It's, like I said earlier, it's new. It's different. It's hard plastic. It's probably not recyclable.
Would that deter you from buying it again?
Well, I think the aspartame would probably deter me more from the Crystal Light, even though it is cardboard and recyclable.
Mm-hmm.
Just the fact that there's aspartame in there would probably not make me want to buy it. So, even though the Mio's packaging isn't necessarily recyclable and it has this stupid peely plastic outer layer, so it's not the most environmentally friendly product packaging-wise, but just the fact that it's probably less harmful. I mean, yeah.
But its ingredients are less harmful. Okay.
I wouldn't say less harmful, but there's no aspartame.
No, that's okay. That's cool. Okay, and then
I don't think any of these are necessarily good for you with all the stuff in them, but
this is true. And then what's the first thing that comes to mind when you see these products? It could literally be anything, but like, what do you think of when you think of like water enhancers?
bottled water. I just
Okay.
think of people buying bottled water, which isn't cool. I just think of like soccer moms having like Crystal Light packaging, and they're like, "Oh, I need something to make my water taste better because I can't just drink plain old freaking water." So they have their Aquafina bottle, and they're like, "Yeah, let's make my stuff taste like cranberry," or whatever this is, pomegranate. So.
I think it's actually, look, Aquafina water.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
Exactly. It's like I can understand like needing this for tap water maybe if like that's your deal. If you're one of those people like, tap water tastes like dirt. But I mean, come on, dude, it's Aquafina.
Yeah.
That's just what it makes me think of.
Yeah. And then what's your top priority when determining artificial sweetener products to use?
I don't use them.
Yeah.
Usually, I mean, like I said, the aspartame thing is kind of a no-go. But I guess if I had to use artificial sweetener, I would try and find the more natural one. I forget what it's called. Like, starts with an S. Not sativa. That's the pink crap. What is that called?
I have no idea.
Spirulina?
No, it's like the plant. It's from
Stevia.
There we go, stevia, the natural plant artificial sweet, not artificial.
But you would want that in your, like,
Yeah.
yeah.
I guess
okay.
if they could package that, that's what I would go for. But this aspartame and this other stuff, like maltodextrin. Come on, dude.
So, but at the end of the day, if you had to choose a product, you said you would choose which one of these three?
Probably this one,
Okay.
just because this one has aspartame, and this one looks like drugs, like medicine or something.
Okay,
I feel like I'm about to pop like a Tums or something with that one.
Sounds good. Awesome. Thank you.